I have
After my class?
after yours, I think I have a class with some other teacher.
For?
Um, I I mean,
For which subject?
uh, so, okay, physics I have at Wednesdays and Fridays. Maths is in the
Mhm.
morning, and yeah, chemistry is now.
Then after that, you have coaching classes at in the evening. In
Yeah,
the,
I have coaching classes in the evening.
so you are going there, no?
I'm going there. I'm going offline.
So you meet friends there.
Yes, I do.
Oh, very good. So how's they performing? Yeah.
Good only.
Okay. Now I wrote the definition. Can you read this? Can you read this, please?
Limiting reagent. It is a
Huh.
reagent whose amount becomes zero before all other reactants and the reaction stops to limit the amounts of products formed.
Yes. Means it will consume first, and because of that reason, now the further reactions are there, but it won't be completed because it is all consumed. Did you understand? No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have yesterday example of that. If I will take which one we have yesterday, we were stuck at hydrogen. This one,
Yes.
like H2 plus O2 gives us H2. So can we compare? Can we do this thing? What we can do? I mean,
So H2 plus O2 gives
balance.
yeah. So that means
So
2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2. Put 2 in front of H2 and 2 in front of H2O.
yes, yes. So two and then two. So here we can see that 2 moles of hydrogen is making how much? 2 moles of water. Yes,
Yes,
and
sir.
here 1 moles of oxygen is making 2 moles of hydrogen of water.
Yes.
So how will you calculate the LR then? So 1 mole of oxygen, if I will calculate this, so here 1 moles of oxygen, okay, it's making 2 moles of water.
Yes, sir.
Means 1 moles of oxygen is enough for making the 2 moles of water.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand? So um, here hydrogen will be the limiting reagent. LR.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How will you calculate this? So if I will calculate the in grams, how much grams? So here, if I will make that, so how much grams is there? 2 and 2. So 2 gram and then multiply by 2 divided by 2.
Mhm.
Why? Because 2 moles are there and divided by 2. No, no, it will be this thing. Did you understand?
Wait. Yeah. So it should be 2 grams of hydrogen, but and divided by 2.
2 2 divided by 2. So it is 1 gram of hydrogen is there.
Yes.
Yes. And here, what is a gram? How much gram?
In oxygen.
Oxygen is
Uh,
16 and 32. 32 gram divided by 1. So here 32 gram of oxygen is there.
yes, sir.
So now obviously the hydrogen will get consumed first
Yes, sir.
for making water. So that is why the hydrogen is Li.
Okay. So hydrogen is the limiting compound. Hydrogen is the
Limiting compound.
hydrogen is the one that that gets that becomes
Consumed first.
that gets
Yeah.
exhausted first, and then after that getting exhausted, it stops the reaction.
Yes, because of the limitation by hydrogen, it stops the reaction. You got that? No.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. So we'll take one more example for more clear verification. Okay. So we have this thing. I'll write the question. The question says, uh, okay, I'll take the picture. Okay. We have this question. Can you read this question?
3 moles of sulfur dioxide SO2 is mixed with 2 moles of oxygen O2 and after
Hmm.
reaction sulfur trioxide SO3. It is a limiting.
SS. Which one is limiting?
And what is the
Okay. So
maximum
if
SO3 that can be formed?
So if I will write the reaction, so sulfur dioxide is mixed with oxygen to form sulfur trioxide. Perfect.
Okay, yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we need a balanced chemical reaction. So where you will put? So
Um,
here we have to like 4 is there. So if I will multiply it by 4, so 4 is a 12, then 3, and then no, then 4 will come. So 8 and 2, and then it will become 2. Is this the
or
balanced chemical reaction?
or you can say 2 SO2 plus 1 O2 gives 2 SO3.
Yes. So we can write it also. 2SO3 plus 1O2 plus 2SO3.
Yes,
Did you understand?
yes,
So
sir.
now what the question is saying, 3 moles of SO2 makes, it's like 3 moles of SO2 makes how much moles of SO3?
2.
No, 3 moles of SO2 makes 2 moles. No, I wrote wrong.
3 moles of SO2 plus 2 moles of O2.
Yeah, plus 2 moles of O2
Yes.
plus 2 moles
Of O2.
of O2 give I don't know how much moles. Okay, I don't know how much. But in this reaction we got one relation. In this reaction we got one relation. The relation is 2 moles of SO2 makes 2 moles of SO3
2 moles
here
of
in the
SO2,
reaction.
2 moles of SO2 with on reacting with 1 mole of O2.
O2 will give 2 moles. That means basically 2 moles of SO2 is giving 2 moles of SO3 and 1 mole of oxygen giving 2 moles of SO3. Did you understand? No.
Okay, try to find the limiting reagent.
Yeah, we have to find the limiting reagent. Okay. So now 1 mole of SO2, 1 moles of SO2 will give how much? So 2 by 2 moles of SO3. So 1 mole of SO2 will give like now 3 moles of SO2 will give how much? So 3 into 2 by 2 means 3 moles of SO3 will be formed by SO2. Did you understand? No.
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Now, oxygen. Oxygen, if I will talk about the oxygen. So in oxygen, 1 mole of O2 gives how much moles of SO3? 2 moles of SO3. Did you understand?
Yes.
No. Okay. And if I will take in the question, it is 2 moles of oxygen is reacting. So 2 moles will give how much?
2 moles will
2
give
moles of
4.
will give 4 moles of SO2. So basically, the SO2 is giving less mole. Are you with me? SO2 is giving less moles as compared to oxygen.
Okay. So that means SO2 will only form 3 moles of SO3, but O2 will form
Yes,
4 moles of SO3. So that means
yes.
limiting reagent. So that means after 3 moles of SO3 are formed, the reaction stops.
Stop. Because oxygen is already we have excess amount and is ready to give more 1 mole. Did you understand?
Yes,
No.
sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so who is the limiting reagent here?
SO2.
So Lr will be
SO2.
the SO, limiting it. Did you understand, beta? No.
Yes, sir.
And what is the maximum amount of SO3 that can be formed? Now,
Okay.
because after the yeah, you see.
So now it's a three. Okay. So now 3 moles of SO2 will give 3 moles of SO3.
Yeah. So basically, how much maximum SO3 can be formed? 3 moles. Okay. So
Yeah.
the answer of this will be that 3 moles of SO3 can be formed.
Okay. But if it says minimum, then
Minimum, minimum in this case, like what is the maximum number of SO3 that can be formed is 3 moles of SO3.
but it
Means
says
maximum you can make, and minimum is unlimited in this case. No, like when you will increase the amount of that, you will get the more.
minimum is 4 moles, right?
Minimum is 4 moles, but the thing is we don't have the excess amount of SO2. That is why we are not able to 4 moles. But 3 moles we can maximum make. Like if I will ask that if you have two buns, I mean 4 buns and 6 patties. So how what is the minimum amount of burger you can make?
Two,
Two burgers and maximum? No,
three,
no. Maximum is three and minimum is
two.
yeah. Did you understand? No.
Yes, sir.
Write it down now. We'll do some more questions. Did you understand, Edric? You got the concept now. Limiting reagent.
Okay. So the amount of SO3, like, do we need to convert into grams or something?
If gram it is asked, we'll do some questions on that also. We'll do some questions for more clarity. Did you understand? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay, write it down then.
So
Then
one
I
minute.
will.
So 1 minute,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. The main goal is you have to understand. Okay. If you didn't understand, please tell sir I didn't understand. Okay. Till then, I'll write one question.
I'm back.
You write it down this question with me.
Okay.
Then we'll together solve this.
8 grams of each unit molecules of
Okay. So
Sir,
we have this question. Yes.
that's not an E, it's I.
Yes. Fine. Okay. Now we have this question. Can you read this, Edwin, please?
Okay. 8 grams of H2 and 600 about 23 molecules of O2 are reacted to form water vapor according to the reaction. Find LR.
So yes. We'll do the first part, then we'll do the each part one by one. Okay. Now the question is like if I will first make the reaction. So what is will be H2 plus O2 gives 2. Got that? No.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to balance this. So how will you balance this? Like 2 will come here. First we will balance the hydrogen. So for the hydrogen, no, first we will balance the oxygen. So oxygen, like 2 we have to make. Then 2 to the 4, and then 2 will come and put like this. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now the question is saying that 8 gram of hydrogen is reacting with this molecule. So we have to make a simple substance moles. So
Yes.
can we calculate the moles? Like 8 gram of hydrogen is there. So can we calculate the moles?
So
How
moles
much
of
moles will be there?
become 8, 8
Yeah,
divided
8
by
divided.
8 by 2, which is 4 moles. 8 by.
Yeah, so it means that here 4 moles of hydrogen. Did you understand? No.
Yes, yes, sir. 4 moles.
Yeah, let me do with the different pen. So if I will make, oh my god, yeah, green pens. So here 4 moles of hydrogen is there, and how much oxygen is there? Can you calculate? Like one molecule is like Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23,
Yes.
and we'll take 6 only. So
Yeah.
for that, the oxygen will be how much mole?
Um, it'll be 1 mole.
Very good, 1 mole. And water, there is no information is there, so we'll take it as like that.
Yeah.
So now here, if I will calculate the limiting reagent first, so like 4 moles, okay, and divided by this coefficient, stoichiometric coefficient that we used to
Yeah.
say.
It's a
So we
chemistry.
are getting,
4.
there's a formula for that, okay, there's a trick for that, that moles divided by stoichiometric coefficient. So I am writing SC, okay,
Yes.
okay, did you understand? So what is the moles? 4 divided by 2. So
Yes.
I'm getting answer is 2. And then in this also, what we'll do? This is for the hydrogen.
Yes.
Okay. And if I will calculate the LR for this, so it will be
1 by 1. It is 1.
yeah 1 by 1. So how what is the answer then? Who is the here is this thing LR?
O2 is the limiting reagent. O2.
Correct. O2 is the limiting reagent. Did you understand? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the LR will be now, the thing is, moles of excess reactant left. So, who is the excess one? Hydrogen.
Yes, H2.
Okay. So, like like hydrogen, 1 mole is left, no?
Yes, 1
Like
more.
2 moles of hydrogen is there, and one is used by the oxygen. Oxygen
Yeah.
is limited. Now, 1 mole left.
Yeah.
Did you
2
understand?
minus
No.
1. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. 1 more.
So
1 more.
2 minus 1. But the coefficient, stoichiometric coefficient, we have to multiply it also. So 2 minus 1 into 2 to get the total moles left. You got that?
Oh, so now the total moles left is will be 2.
Yes, it will be 2 because 1 mole is consumed and this like 2 moles is there. No, 2 moles of hydrogen is used. No,
Yes.
okay, do you understand?
Yes.
So it will be how much? 2 moles. So the answer of the excess reaction will be 2 moles. Did you understand? Say yes
Yes,
or no?
sir. Yes, sir.
Now, mass of a excess reactant. So, excess is hydrogen and 2 moles is there. So, 2 to the 4 gram.
Yes.
No, you didn't understand anything.
I understood, sir.
Now,
Um,
molecule will be moles is 2 and Avogadro number you have to multiply, you will get the molecules.
1.2 into 10 to the power 24 molecules.
Yes. So, you can multiply it. You are very sharp in that. Now, what is the volume? Volume at STP?
Um,
1 mole is equals to 22.7 or 22.4.
2.7.
So, you have to multiply with the 22.7.
So the
Now, how much? Yes, sorry.
45.4. It's become
Yeah,
45.4.
you can multiply it further. Now, how much moles of product is formed? How much moles product is formed?
Okay, so product is H2O. So now
Yeah,
the
H2O. How much is formed? 2 moles is formed.
you have to use the oxygen method. So that means it'll become 1 mole of oxygen gives 2 moles of H2O. So now since there's only 1 mole of oxygen formed, the number of moles of H2O will be 2.
2. Correct. So, what it will be then? So, 2 moles of water is formed. Like, because the limiting reagent is oxygen, that is why only 1 mole is consumed. Did you
Yes.
understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now, mass. How much mass? It will be
4 grams,
18 gram and then 36 gram.
36 grams. Okay.
Okay.
Now
Yes.
molecules will be same. 2 into Na, which is 1.2 into 10 to the power 24 molecules.
Yes. And volume?
2 into
2 into.
22.7, 45.4 liters.
Did you understand this thing?
Yes, sir.
Write it down then. Quickly write down. We'll do more questions.
Yes, sir.
If you didn't understand, please ask me. If you didn't understand Edric, please ask me later. Then we'll do one more question. मैं खुद अपना कैश मम्मी को पकड़ा देता हूँ मम्मी से ऑनलाइन ले लेता हूँ
Two H2 plus O2 gives 2 H2O. So now 8 grams.
Tell me when you tell. So you can write the steps, no? Or you want me to write the all the steps also?
Sir, I can write the steps, sir.
Pakka na? Don't
Pakka.
skip the step. I am believing you. Okay, so I hope you will write the steps. If you want that, sir, please you also write the steps. I will write the steps also. No problem. And if you didn't understand, please ask me, Adric, okay?
Yeah.
Now we will have class on Thursday, no?
Huh?
On Thursday, no?
On Thursday, I have what? I have?
Now, next class will be on Thursday, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done?
Not yet.
So, which coaching you are going, Edric?
Alan.
Alan, wow. So, you had a test recent? Yes?
Yes, I had a test. And sir,
Hmm.
in Bangalore, there are so many Allen centers.
Oh, so how much marks you got?
Sir, first two tests I got like okay marks. In my first test I got out of 300 I got 136, and second one out of 300 I got 112.
Okay, the third one?
Third one will happen in next Wednesday.
Oh, okay, okay. So,
Tests
where
are
you did mistake?
mostly in the physics part, sir.
Oh, okay, okay. You know, na, negative marking is there.
Yes, sir. Negative marking is there.
So, if you are not confident, don't go for that question. Instead of losing 5 marks, you can lose only 4 marks for that.
Yes, sir.
Ah, so whenever you're doing questions, even in the exam center or worksheet, if you don't know the answer, if you have like A and B options are there, or B and C options are there, and you are confused, you're not able to find it out the answer. Instead of that, just leave it. This is a tip for that. Your goal is not to attempt all the question. Your goal is to attempt the question that you know very well.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Most of the CHP.
So who are your friend in your coaching classes?
I have maybe one or two friends.
What are their names?
Um, they are twin brothers, I guess.
Oh, okay, okay. That's very good. Yeah. So are they in believers? Are they believers?
Uh, don't think so that they're believers. I guess none of the kids in my class are believers. No, except
Okay.
me.
So it means that you have a great opportunity. Hmm? You can pray for them and let rest, leave it on God. When you are at alone, so you can pray. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Got it. Okay. So done. Shall we do the next question, please?
Wait. Ask
Yeah.
to buy. Wait. Mhm.
नीचे छोड़ते ही वो हाथ धोया हुआ फायदा नहीं होगा, मिट्टी पकड़ लेगी।
Oh, Zoe, 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 Zoe. Oh, Zoe.
Now you say? Let it now you say. Zoe.
Zoe, 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 Zoe. Hi, Zoe.
You are famous in Bangalore also. Say hi. Say bye.
काय करते जोई?
Say bye.
Hi.
She's hungry.
Yeah.
We're done with this question, sir.
Okay, now we'll do this question. So, will you help me in this question?
Yes, sir.
Chemistry. 11 Yes, Edric. So, what's the question? Can you read this, please?
50 grams of N2 and 10 grams of H2.
Are mixed together to produce NH3, ammonia.
Calculate
Calculate
the
the-
ammonia form.
Yeah.
Identify the LR in the
In the production of NH3 in this situation.
Oh.
Okay. So, tell me first, how will you calculate? First, you have to calculate the moles of nitrogen used.
Okay.
So, what is the formula for? Yeah, you tell.
Now 50 kg of N2, which means it becomes 50,000 grams
50,000 grams upon.
upon of so since N2 N2 is 28, so it becomes 50,000 upon of
Correct. So, can you calculate it? Yeah, I mean, I have to use my brain now.
yeah, this
Where's
you
my
need
brain?
calculator for this.
I mean, it's not like in your exam or when you are doing, don't use it. Okay. But I mean, we have less time. That's why I'm using it. Okay. So 50,000 divided by 28. It's gonna be 1785. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I'll write here 1785 moles, or I can write 1.785 into 10 to the power 3 moles. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. This is moles of nitrogen. Now calculate the moles of hydrogen.
Okay. Now moles of hydrogen become 10,000 upon of 2, which will become 5,000 moles.
10,000 upon 2, which will be
5,000.
nearly about 5,000 moles.
Exactly 5,000 moles because
Yes.
10,000 by 2.
5,000 into 2. Sorry, into 3.
About 3.
3 moles. Okay, now we have to balance it also. So, how will you balance it, beta?
N2 plus 3H2 gives 2 NH3.
2 plus 3H2 gives
2 NH3.
2 NH. Okay. Now, here, what is this? This means that we have to calculate the LR.
Yes.
We have to calculate what? LR, no?
Yes.
How will you do that? I gave you the easiest formula, like the moles divided by the stoichiometric coefficient.
SC.
So what will you get in the first case?
It will become
moles is
1.785 divided by 1, which is 1.785 into 10 to the power 3 moles for N2.
Yeah, this is for N2. So how much you got?
1.785
1.785 into 10 to the power 3. This is the moles of N2. And for the hydrogen?
It will become 5,000 divided by 3, which is
5,000 divided by 3. So which is 1.6 something, no?
1.667 into 10 to the power 3.
Yeah, 1.67 into 10 to the power 3
Yes.
moles of hydrogen, and this one is moles of. So obviously, who is the limiting reagent?
H2.
H2. So we got the answer that H2 is a limiting reagent. Why it is a limiting reagent? Can you tell me?
Because less number of moles are formed
In the
from
reaction, and as well as it will consume it first.
Yeah. That means
Yes?
yes. So that means only since so that means only 1.67 into 10 power 3 moles will be formed, and after 1.67 into 10 power 3, even though N2 can give 1.785 into 10 power 3 moles, it will stop at 1.67 into 10 power 3 moles.
Yes. So means the rest one is the excess amount of nitrogen which is left
Yes, sir.
in the terms of moles.
Yes,
Did
sir.
you understand? No.
Yes, sir. I understood, sir.
Okay. Now here we have to calculate the find of amount of ammonia also. How will you calculate the ammonia? Like here, 3 moles like only hydrogen is limiting. No, so we are taking hydrogen example because hydrogen is limiting reagent. Did you understand? No. So 3 moles of hydrogen is making how much moles? 2 moles of ammonia.
Okay, so
Did you
now,
understand?
yes, so now 5,000 divided by 3 is equals to number of moles of ammonia divided by 2.
Yeah. So 5,000 divided by 3
Is
is
equals
equals to number of moles, which is I'm writing as n
yes,
upon 2.
2.
So what it will become? 5,000 into 2 divided by 3,
Yes,
which
so
is 10,000
yes.
divided by 3. So
Become
what will you get?
3.333
3.33
into
into 10 to the power
10
3
moles of ammonia.
moles of ammonia is formed.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Now this much mole is formed. Now we have to calculate in kg or gram or whatever the thing is. It will become 3333.3 into ammonia. What is the mass of ammonia?
17.
So I'll write the step also. We know that mass or given mass is equals to moles into molar mass.
Yes.
So what is moles? 3333.3 into what is the molar mass of this is 7 and then no 14 and 3 17. Very good. So it will be around 56.1 kilogram. If you multiply it, you will get n, and you will divide by 1,000, then you will get the perfect answer. You didn't understand anything, Edric?
I understood, sir.
Did you understand? Is this easy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is easy, sir. When you teach, it is very easy, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Appreciations words. This means a lot.
So basically, when any teacher in NXT classes teach, it's very easy to grasp concepts.
Yes, yes. Thank you. We'll communicate this to every teacher. And we are
To
thankful for your feedbacks.
to all
We
the
want to
NXT.
yes.
And and I hope I hope your institute grows to like many students across the world.
Yeah. You hope also and you pray also.
Yeah.
We are also praying and we are also hoping.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will send this answer to you personally. Is
Yes,
it
sir.
okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will, and we'll make a one group. I'll make a group. We have one secondary group. So we'll do that and you can write it down the answer from there.
Yes, sir.
So I hope then you have enjoyed the class. Then we'll meet tomorrow.
Thursday.
Not tomorrow.
Thursday.
Thursday. We'll meet Thursday. We'll do some more question and then we'll complete this chapter by Thursday.
Yes, sir. The Thursday will be completed.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So till then, bye, Rick. Bye. We'll meet
Bye,
Thursday.
sir.
Thank you. Bye. Guys, you guys give me 1 minute break. I will write back and then we'll start the class.